Hello, everyone. Thunderstorm here.
No, I'm kidding. But, there is a storm coming. We have something on our hands. It'll be happening later. But, god dang. It's getting windy again. If you couldn't frickin' tell, we have gusts of 32 right now. And it's probably gonna get worse. Later this week is gonna be absolutely frickin'. It's gonna be Mick and Frontal. There's a lot of birds up there somewhere. That tree's really loud. We do have storms coming though. There's thunder in it, but it's really just a bunch of rain. We're getting that fall feel. Holy hell. Calm down. Red spot's getting bigger. Not sure if I put out that video by now. It's definitely trying to cook up something. We're moving places. We're getting those yellow, orange leaves every so often. Alright, well, I'm gonna conserve this battery because I took the battery out mid-charge. I'll meet you back whenever that storm hits. Hello. Here it comes, I think. See how far I can zoom in. Wow. It's like a third of a mile away from me. Uh-oh. Brr. That is not 75. Ah, I just got it all over my freaking camera. Whoops. That was dumb. Guess I'm starting to record now. I swear ever since this mustache really started, I keep getting water bags below my nose. Is that it? You kidding me? Oh yeah. There's our old lamp. That's all that's left because I ripped that part out. Still have a thunder rock out here. Lame. More yellow. Oh my god. Whoa. Where did the gat come from? I can't freaking talk. I saw stuff rocking like we were on a boat, and I was like, okay, I think I'm gonna get my camera now. That wasn't 30. It was definitely more than 30. Ow. It's cold. Freaking. Whoops. That was crazy. Alright. There might be another one. I'll wait till that happens, though. I'm gonna start a picture every day thing on that tree for this fall. I don't know, it's gonna be every other day. I did one with the tree on the other side, the big one. And now that you can't really see through the window to that one anymore. All the sucker branches have grown. That was 2022, but I'm gonna start on this one now. What? Oh. It looked like a doppelganger over there. It looked like my dad. That was weird. I almost had a doppelganger. You know how a doppelganger is someone who looks like exactly like somebody you know, or even yourself. But a doppelganger is when you go past somebody real fast and they almost look like someone you know, or like yourself even. You look closer, it really doesn't look like them. That's a doppelganger. Yeah. Doppelganger. Come on. Lighten up. Okay, so something sort of unfortunate. The storm did that weird pooling thing I can only explain as. It looks strong, but by the time it gets to you, it's lost, like, its motivation or something. Lost a girlfriend. It just, all the lightning disappears and it just kind of globulates on top of your house, and then it just rings out. It's kind of just there right now. It's ringing itself out. So it's kind of sad. Because I kind of had a funny idea for this video. And I guess I kind of did get that across. Dang, my fingers stink. I was playing guitar with those phosphor bronze strings. And I guess I got my point across, really. But yeah, it's storm sizzling. And I guess if there's gonna be another thing later, I'll keep this part in, but I'm gonna delete some things and I'm gonna continue on with that. But if this is it, thanks for watching. So a bit later, we got pizza. I almost dropped that and you said, "Ooh!" Oh, he's still there. It's looking a little dark. I have to keep an eye on that. It's looking freaky. It's foggy out here now. It's all just grazing. I hit my nut again. I keep doing that. Hurt my nuts. It's just barely grazing us. Oh, light's on. There it is. The big patch in the storm. And it's going really slow. So I don't plan on recording much. Excuse me. Oh, that's a plane up there. I can hear it. That's just neat to me, the burnt ends on the trees. Burnt ends. Excuse you. I'm talking. Burnt ends. This thing is starting to get in the way. It does not help. Still one of these here from 4th of July. Rusty scissors. Do it. That's freaky. That's almost spinning. I don't know, that's weird. It's like it's coming around and then doing that. That's creepy. It just keeps getting darker and darker. Slightly creepy. Still doing that spinning motion. Kinda. That's a lot of birds. That was a loud truck. Shut up. I don't know, man. I'm not liking how this is looking. I heard thunder a little bit ago. It was one thunder noise, I guess. Huh? You saw lightning? Yeah, I'm not liking this too much. There's some. So dark in the house, it looks like the sun. It looks like the sun went down, but it's not yet. That lamp's having some bad issues. See that lamp over there? I think we have a winner.
Breezy up there.
Huh?
I say it's breezy up there.
Yeah. It's going really fast. Right at us. Ramos. There's no warnings. There's no special weather statement. There's not even any lightning markers showing up, but there's thunder. It's like Scud. I don't know, man. God, what is... I don't know what I'm seeing. This camera lens is dirty. Uh-oh. There's water on it, too. Run around it. Goodness gracious. Rabbit. Boo. Woohoo! I took a picture earlier, and I still might use that for the thumbnail, but I'm not sure about this. I don't know. Christina. Somebody's out of here. And clip number 4, this maybe, I don't know. Whew, it's cold. It got really freaking cold. Whoa. That's fall. Howdy here. No! As soon as a lightning strike. Hip hip hooray for this dumbass camera. It's making my voice crack. Uh-oh. Oh, that's cold. It's green. Why is it green? Wherever that lightning is, it's on top of us. Oh, that was weird. Brr. This kills of me. Where are these strikes at? I just see flashing. Oh, it's cold. It has to be like 50 now. It's over there. It's over there, I think. Come on. That's a lot of rain. Hey, it works now. Woo! Yes. Cool. Things are getting loud. It's getting fed up. But come freaking on. See, these are the times I wish we still used 4:3 aspect ratio as a standard, because this is, I don't know. I think I hear hail. Oh. It just hit me how freaking loud everything is. Dude! Oh my God. I think we're flooding a bit. Oh, that's gonna be loud. I just missed it. Woo. It's subsiding. I can't hear my own voice. Make it real like the first time. Everything is drenched. I mean, well, obviously, James is right. This is when the real stuff begins. This is the first big storm we've had in 3 weeks. Woo! Well, first big rain we've had in like 3 weeks. I gotta wipe this off. Subsided, but I still can't come out here with my camera bare. So we're gonna do the bucket thing. The flooding has gone down. It wasn't bad anyway, but yeah. Check around for any damage. Ugh, it's freaking cold. Oh, that's something. It's probably been sitting up there for years. A lot of leaves. I don't see much else, just that and this stick here. I'm surprised though, today's been a little hectic. Nothing back here either. Woo! There's an arm. It's just gonna rain for a few hours, and it's gonna be around 30 degrees tonight or something. No, it's gonna be around 40. My bad. People keep saying it's gonna be 32 degrees. No, it's not. It's gonna be 40, maybe 39. So come on. Thought that was normal, but then the warmer temperatures became the new normal, and now we're back to it, and people are freaking out for no reason. Okay, but thanks for watching. Let's get to 700 subs. We're four subscribers away. Okay, this is a bonus clip, I guess. This is some forgotten storm damage from the storm. This is a big branch too. It came off from up there. This tree's like half dead, or like a quarter dead for whatever reason. But this came out of it. Back up a little bit. That is a big branch. It's gnarly too. Trying to find, I don't even know where, but there's a branch hanging right there. It's been hanging for like 2 years now. But yeah, big branch. And I'm gonna take care of this after this clip's done. And I need to get some pictures of it. So yeah, thank you for watching again. And let's get to 700 subs.